pedal towards you. You get number 1 up there now. As soon as you come off the brakes, the car will move forward, and if you do that on the accelerator, the car will very quickly move forward.
It's got the crawl mode, isn't it? Like
yeah, but when you touch the pedal, it does suddenly jolt because this V12 is very, very torquey. So start to turn the wheel to the right, and then just slowly come off the brakes. And that's it.
Follow the green one.
Yes. So where have you travelled from?
From London.
Okay, whereabouts?
Notting Hill, West London.
Yeah,
so,
Notting Hill.
So yeah, so it's nice. Like that's why I'm from Swindon originally.
Yeah.
So I love used to getting out on the country roads and drive up to the A420.
So we just go around the outside them, round the outside them.
Yeah, driving on the A420 and things like that. But
the 420's
London's a bit. Yeah, London's just a bit start-stoppy. So
yeah, I'm down in London most days, but it's early morning when I'm down there, so it's lovely.
Did the cycling laps. Hopefully, I'll be a good student and remember what he said.
So into the yellow cone box, we'll just give way to these 2 cars on track. That's what's coming in there. Oh, go on, we'll beat the McLaren angle. So round to the left. Change up with the right hand lever. Good. And nicely back to the right. So start to accelerate now. Aim for that turn board on the right hand side. Change up with the right hand lever. So don't worry about the brakes, just lift up and accelerate. Turn the car in. Straighten the wheel up. Stay off all the pedals again. Off the pedals. Now turn right. Straighten up. Start to feed the power in. Small movement now. Good. Keep feeding that power in. Aim for those small orange cones on the left. Onto the brakes now. Brake a bit more. Good. Off the brakes. Off the brakes. Turn it. Start to feed the power in all the way over to the left hand side. Good. You've got all the track to use, so use it. Change up, keep accelerating. Okay, onto the brakes now. Brake harder. Change down, keep braking. Brake round to the right, off the brake. Change up one, you want down to the second, now you want third. Good. So round to the right. Start to feed the power in. Aim for that turn board on the right hand side. Good. So off all the pedals. Stay off the power, let the car turn. Good. Off the power, back to the right. Now start to accelerate. And accelerate more. Small movement now. Good. Gently into the right. Onto the brakes now. Brake a bit more. Brake a bit more. Off the brakes. Now turn. Off the power, off the power. Now accelerate. Good. Accelerate again. Change up. Good. So brake now. Brake harder. Change down once. Good. So let the car turn. Just wait for a sign from them. Okay, stay left. We're going to have an atom come through on the right to start with. Then follow the atom. Go on, accelerate away. Good. So lift off the accelerator. Don't brake, just stay off the power. Off the power. Now let the car turn. Straighten up. Nicely back to the left. Feed that power in. Good. Small movement right. Onto the brakes now. Brake harder. Good. Stay off all the pedals. Let the car turn. Start to unwind the wheel. Now accelerate hard. Straight. Keep accelerating. Keep it going. Change up. Good. So brake down. Change down. Let the car turn. Stay behind him, he's going to cut us off. Round to the right. That's really poor instructing there for that on us like that. Start to accelerate again. Change up. Into the left. Good. Off the power. Turn in. Start to accelerate now. Good. Small movement now. Good. Onto the brake now. Aim for the orange cones. Good. So off all the pedals. Off the pedal. Start to unwind. Straighten up now. And accelerate again.
Great fun.
Change up. Okay. Brake down. Brake on. Brake on. Change down. Off all the pedals. Good. So careful through here because you've got a slow car on the exit. Okay, over to the right. Good. So lift off the accelerator. Good. Stay off on pedals. Turn the car right. Unwind the wheel now and accelerate. Back to the left. Good. Onto the brakes. Don't go past them yet. They've not signed us through. Let the car turn. Okay, turn the car right now. Okay, start to accelerate. Straighten up. Accelerate now. Go. Change up. Change up again. Good. Brake up. Hit that wheel. That's it. Brake a little bit more. And let the car turn. Don't cut them up, that's it, turn in. And nicely back to the right. No, he's not instructing very well, he's not pointing car through when he should do. Okay, start accelerating now. Onto the brakes. Don't cut them up. And off the brakes around to the right. Stay behind the Audi, he's not signed us through. Okay, he has now, go. Good, turning. Unwind. Okay, so onto the brakes this time, stay behind the Ferrari. And off the brakes, let the car turn. Start accelerate now, overtake the Ferrari on the right. Good, small movement now. Straighten up. Onto the brakes, up the inside of the Lambo, stay behind the Jag. Good. So let the car turn. Unwind that, stay left and accelerate again. So we're going to follow the Jag back in this time. So, change up. Okay, slow the car down.
Absolutely fucking amazing. That's such good fun.
They're unusual, aren't they? Because there's a lot of body roll. They're not really designed for track work.
Yeah.
They're designed to cross continents in comfort.
Yeah.
And you get to your destination, nice,
Yeah,
chilled
it's
and
a grand
relaxed.
tour, isn't it? I could definitely feel like like I said, the grip and the as it was kind of coming on, and like you could feel like it kind of biting, and
Yeah.
I could start, the more we did it, the more getting to feel the car.
Left hand side of the white Porsche. Left.
Yeah, the more I could feel. I
Left
could
hand
feel
side, past it.
left. Sorry, yeah. Could feel the kind of the bite and like the pull of the car and stuff. It was
But they're quite unusual because they're very softly sprung. So mid corner you get a lot of body roll, and that can really affect the car badly. Because if you're going in the right hand bend, you've got a lot of body roll.
Yeah.
It just lights up that inside rear wheel.
Yeah.
Which it doesn't do anything, does it?
Yeah.
But that's a really committed drive. Well done.